Students, today we will study different size and shapes of cell. So first of all, smallest cell. Okay, what is your answer? No, not bacteria. Mycoplasma is the smallest cell. What is diameter? 0.3 micrometer, smaller than bacteria. Next, bacterial cell. 3 to 5 micrometer, only visualized by microscope. Then red blood cell, human red blood cell, 7 micrometer in diameter. Next, nerve cell, longest cell of human body. Why? Because nerve cell transfer signal in entire body. So from 0.1 meter to 1 meter. What is diameter of plant and animal cell? From 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. Now which cell is largest and you can easily visualize by your eyes? Only one cell, ostrich egg. This egg is made up of single cell. So largest cell, egg of an ostrich. Ready? Now cells are available in different shapes like human, thick, thin, tall, short. Ready? So first of all, some cells are irregular like amoeba and WBC. They can change their shapes. Some cells are cuboidal, cube-like, like ice cube. Now what is function of cuboidal cell? Either secretion or absorbance. Columnar cell, column like, pillar like, long and thin. Same function, secretion and absorbance. RBC, what is the shape of human RBC? Biconcave. Beta, why there is a biconcave? Because due to this shape, RBC can easily transfer through small blood capillaries. Next, shapes in bacteria. Bacteria are available in various shapes. Some are coccus. Coccus means round, like rasgullas. Then bacillus, rod-like structure, like your soya stick. Spiral, like Maggie. And vibrio, coma, means pasta. Now we will study about small bacterial cell. So bacterial cell contain two parts, cell envelope and cytoplasm. As you can know, what is envelope? Envelope means outer covering. So there are three covers or three layers. First, in contact with cytoplasm, this layer is known as a cell membrane. Beta, what is function of cell membrane? Cell membrane differentiates cytoplasm from external environment, and cell membrane is selectively permeable, means it allows only selective molecule pass across through membrane. After cell membrane, there is a second layer, cell wall, which is made up of peptidoglycan, means long chain of sugars. Ready? So what is function of cell wall? Okay, give me answer. What is function of your wall, home wall? It protects you against mechanical and chemical injuries. It provides shape to your home. Same function. Cell wall provide proper shape to bacteria and it protects bacteria against mechanical injury and pathogens. Third layer. Okay. Now I am going to explain you first of all cytoplasm. But what is function of cytoplasm? It provides surface area for various activities. Like in swimming pool, water provides you surface area. Same in our cell, cytoplasm provides us surface area for various activities of organelles. So, as you know, in prokaryotic cell, DNA is very short, so it lies freely in cytoplasm. So this DNA, main DNA, is called genomic DNA. Student, what is function of genomic DNA? To transfer bacterial characteristics and controls all activities of bacteria. Organelles are absent, but one organelle is present in bacteria, which is ribosome. Which organelle? Ribosome. Okay. So you have one question. How bacteria can respire? How it divides? So in bacteria there is a special organelle. By extension of plasma membrane, here you can see plasma membrane extend and form vesicle-like structure. This structure is called mesosome. This mesosome useful for respiration, cell division and other purpose. Ready? In some cyanobacteria, beta, cyanobacteria are capable of photosynthesis. They perform photosynthesis. So in cyanobacteria, in this mesosome, chromatophores means some pigments, colorful pigments are present to perform photosynthesis. Okay. Besides this, in some bacteria that can float in the surface of water, they contain special gaseous chamber, means special organelle like gas vacuole. This vacuole is only permeable for gas, not for water. So due to this gas vacuole, bacteria can easily float on the surface of water. Okay. Next, third layer, capsule. So you can see there is a extra DNA other than genomic DNA. In some bacteria, extra DNA is there, which is called plasmid. Beta, if extra DNA, then extra benefit is also there. Due to this plasmid, third extra layer form around this bacteria, and this third layer is called capsule, which is made up of glycocalyx. What is function of this capsule? Capsule is tough and thicker material. That's why it protects bacteria against antibiotic and pathogens. So bacteria that contain this capsule are very harmful to human and animals. Why? Because they are pathogenic due to their capsule. So another question is there. How can bacteria move? So there is a solution. Flagella. Flagella can be either one, two or many. So this flagella help bacteria for movement. Three parts are there. First, basal body, then hook, and third, last portion is called filament. Now, flagella of bacterial cell and eukaryotic cell are different in their structure, that we will study in this chapter. So three parts: basal body that attach to cell wall and cytoplasm, second hook, middle portion, and third filament, long portion. By flagella, bacteria can easily move from one place to another. Next, pili. You can easily see small thread-like structure, and this structure is called pili. Now, what is function of this pilia? For movement. Second, for food capturing. Third, by pili, bacteria can easily stick on the surface of host and food particles. And this pili is also helpful in transformation, means to transfer genetic material from one bacteria to another. So this is a basic structure of bacteria. Further revision: three layers, cell membrane that is selectively permeable, cell wall provides shape and mechanical support, and third, it also protects bacteria from bursting. Capsule, it protects bacteria against pathogen, immune system of our body and other environment condition. Next, genomic DNA that controls all activities of bacteria. Plasmid, which is responsible for formation of capsule. Mesosome for respiration, cell division and for photosynthesis in some bacteria like cyanobacteria. Gas vacuole present in cyanobacteria, and only one organelle is there, ribosome. So in next lecture students, we will study plant cells and animal cells. Thank you.